Lamsogo jotto naitongna be absongno tinini current affairs session no atukri career tinini first question angka 81 number tini last session jora angka 80 number tai haima sawo o current affairs rok boro nangnai hingke bwskango phaitongnai Tripura ni jotto competitive exam no nangnai especially tabuk phaitongnai ICTS CDPO Panchayat Executive Officer ni bagui to belekhan nangnai omani PDF bo free rejago chin Telegram channel ni bisingtei norok chin Telegram channel no follow khaye free PDF download khaini mano monthly PDF rejago o September mas ni 1 tarik ni simi September ni 30 tarik jora je current affairs session ngoni abo ekloge rejangnai October ni 1 tarik o Telegram channel o norok free download khaini mano tai light thangjak ma nongni bo already PDF rejak tongo norok free PDF download khaini mano abon bagai norok chin Telegram channel no follow khaitondi tebo ma hai bwskango phaitongnai exam rok ni bagai study materials rok mannan bagai Fighting tini first question nalanya which country will host women's T20 Asia Cup Cricket 2022 bo country host khaini hini sungoro women's brirongni T20 Asia Cup Cricket 2022 ni omni right answer angka phadi nalanya D Bangladesh ong nayamo o women's T20 Asia Cup October ni 1 tarik sim sengnai fighting next question Mukhyamantri Susto Seishop Susto Kaisur 3.0 omni full form rogo phaimano Tripura competitive exam rogo tangeng ke Tripura current affairs campaign is related to which state chungoro o MSSKA campaign omo state ni hinisungo omni right answer angka Tripura ni campaign kaisa omoni samungta mongke omoni purpose angke oronaidi 3.0 hinrijak means omo third phase choli tongo o campaign ni bisingtei tamo samung khaijak hingke nog thangai angnawadi worker ni bisingtei 0 to 16 years srai rong ni bagai bithirok rejago crimini tai pneumonia iron tablet rok rejago abon khamni samung next question World Tourism Day observed on which date World Tourism Day bufro palaijak ni sugoro omni right answer angka 27 September next question recently pang Love Soul festival celebrated in which state recently ono pang Love Soul festival palaijago abo bo state o palaijak hingke omni right answer angka A Sikkim o palaijago Sikkim ni kaisa festival next question India first MotoGP will be held in Noida Buddha Circuit in which year India o tabung first time MotoGP bike race ngai abo Noida ni Buddha Circuit o abo bo year ngai hinchungoro omni right answer angka A 2023 o ngai India o first time MotoGP race next question Which state's prison department has launched mobile attendance application bo state ni prison department means jailo omo launch khaijaka mobile tei attendance nana ni bagai kaisa application omni right answer angka A Nagaland omo launch khaijaka Nagaland ni jailo next question Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurated third edition of Lokmantham program in which state India ni Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar mujnargdi omoto maximum borong saimanna tabungni katal Vice President ni mung Jagdeep Dhankar bo inaugurate khaikya third edition means 3 number Lokmantham program abo bo state o khaikya hinchungoro omni right answer angka C Assam o inaugurate khaikya mo next question which country will host the BRICS summit in 2023 bo country host khainan thangi jong hinchungoro BRICS summit 2023 o omni right answer angka C South Africa o BRICS summit ngai 2023 ni tai o BRICS ni full form tamo norok saiman tong hangke comment box o comment kai sari next question who has been appointed as the Director General National Center for Good Governance omni short form NCGG omni right answer angka B Bharat Lal no appointed khaijaka Director General hisabe National Center for Good Governance next question in which state for the first time only women were given the opportunity to ask questions in the legislature. Bo state of first time brirongno simi question sungnan bagai chance rjaka legislature means assembly o omni right answer hangka B Uttar Pradesh first time omo khaijaka. Next question, which state government has decided to withdraw cattle control bill? Bo state government recently wono decide khaikya cattle control bill no withdraw khainan bagai means tisai painan bagai a bill no. Next current affairs o norok omni answer mannai eba khe norok saimain tong hangke comment box o comment kaisadi. Asung nangka tini current affairs session joto bai apsungno belai khena hambai tini no chini channel ni video no first nogui tong hangke gisa bell icon chini subscribe khairi di tai like share bo khairi.